Let me show you the quickest way with AI to create a PowerPoint presentation that's visually very appealing. I will start from nothing and I will create a 3-slide PowerPoint presentation about New York. First, I head over to Chat GPT. Here in the message box, I write the VBA code in PowerPoint to create a 3-slide presentation about New York. Write the heading and some text about it. And then I press enter and I will get the VBA code that I can paste into the PowerPoint VBA editor. And here's the VBA code that I soon will copy into the PowerPoint VBA editor. So now we have it. We just go up here, press on copy the code, open up a new PowerPoint presentation. Here in the ribbon you have developer tab. If you don't have it, right click somewhere here, customize, and make sure that you have developer marked here and press on OK. Now we have it. We open up Visual Basic here to the left and we insert a new module and paste our code. And now we press on this green button to run the code and you'll see that we now have 3 different slides with a presentation about New York. That's the first step. We have the slides, we have the text on each slide. Now we want to make it visually appealing and we do that by using the built-in AI called Designer. You find it in the Home tab. On the furthest right you have Designer, press on it and you will get Designer Ideas. So basically what it will do is that it will read the text that you have in your slide and then come up with ideas. For example, we will write about New York. So this is a slide with a picture of something in New York. And how it works is that you choose the one you want to design your slide with. And if you're not totally happy with how it looks, you can choose one of them. Let's pick this one. And let's say I want it almost like this. Then I double click on Designer. And now I will get ideas that looks very similar to this, but not exactly like it is. For example, perhaps I would stick with this one. And then I can do that for all my different slides. Here, for example, I could go with this one about New York. And then for the last one, famous attraction, Times Square, Broadway, Metropolis. Yeah, maybe I will go with this one. Press double click on Designer because I want to have it on the right side. And perhaps like this. So in just a couple of seconds we created the PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT to come up with the titles and the text, and then we use the built-in AI tool Designer within PowerPoint to create this visually appealing slides. And that is actually how easy it can be to create very good PowerPoint presentations.